Sad news, but I think I'm actually quitting YouTube. Sight, nigga! Hey guys, what's up? It will never cross my mind to quit YouTube because I'm working so hard, but I kind of misled people. I went on my social medias. Social medias? Does anybody say that? Social media accounts. I was getting threatened by people like after I said that I was gonna delete my YouTube channel. I went on Instagram and I went on my other social media accounts and like I said that I'm gonna delete YouTube. I'm done with it. I don't really care anymore. And people started going crazy. People started texting me like, yo, what's up? What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Like, if you don't believe me, just check this. And like, yeah, that's what happened. And I was like, yo, people calm down. I'm just joking. They were like, yo, don't joke like that anymore. And I'm like, damn, these people taking it too seriously. I mean, I take it seriously. I would never quit YouTube. I do this because I like it, not because I'm gonna get paid, but I do this because I actually like it. I'm really trying very hard, so I wouldn't let all that go to waste. I am here to stay. Subscribe to my channel, man. And if you like this video and any other videos on my channel, please don't forget to leave a like. Helps me out. Help a nigga out. Peace. Love you guys. Namaste.